Baitlomile Quilio. Libaganalene Brendan Peterson. Libaganalene Brendan Peterson. Arbor Rota di ragazzi Lenzincha Motragani. Araie. Waya Koyone. Ukisha. One not. Kelane take Orona ile Koyone Brendan Peterson. Yabone Papa Sela di Fulaga Tabotala le Busheu. Yabone Papa Sela di Fulaga Tabusheu. Lebotala.
Goal for El Masry SC scored by player number 20 Kingsley. هدف لصالح فريق المصري أحرزه اللاعب رقم 20 كينغسلي.
وأن نخا تتاوان استفاسا المازري نورو كايزر تشيفز وكايت سيرو سنين فيلا برندن بيترسون نينا لما تقليو ويبا مدتو ينغلقا ونالي لا نخايا رواندا Afrika Bora jano yitwe kona lena mane tuna ya tiro. Batile kona lena mane tuna ya tiro Afrika Bora Kaizer Chiefs.
He was virtually a passenger in the game, and now with the fresh legs of Vilagazi trying to take them forward. Let's see if something works here. Dylan Solomons! Oh, he's the most unlikely of scorers, but he's found the net. What a solo run that was. And what a response from Kaizer Chiefs. Dylan Solomons, he's been trying all match. He had that solo run in the first half with the shot going wide. This time there was only one way he was going, and it was towards the goal. And the coaching staff, Coach Kaze there, absolutely delighted. And the former Stellies All-Stars and Swallows man scores a goal now. Al Masry, of course, are protesting. They feel there should have been a foul earlier. The referee was up with play. He said play on. This is great from Solomons. He collects the ball in a non-dangerous position. Nobody stays tight to him and gives him a chance to get the shot away. Vilagazi doing outstandingly well to take it forward. But look at Solomons. Look at this control. Goes outside, then inside. A real vulavala there, and then putting it into the corner beautifully. Pinpoint precision. And Chiefs are level. It is 1-1, and that is an absolutely fantastic response from the visiting team here to going one down to a penalty a few minutes earlier. Peterson knows that. In it goes, ball bobbing around in the box, and it's gone into the net. What's the referee indicating? Is he allowing the goal to stand? He's got his arm outstretched. I don't think it's going to count. Well, the linesman seemed to have his flag up, but the celebrations are being carried out here by Hashem. The referee, I thought, has stuck his arm out and was indicating something, but it looks as if the goal is going to be allowed to stand. So a real smash and grab here late in the piece for Hashem, his first goal of the season, and the Green Army are delighted. Well, you don't normally make changes before a corner if you're the defensive side, but the attacking side made two changes here. And the ball bobbing around, Miguel kicks at fresh air, and the ball just bounces loose. And Hashem is the man who has the easiest of tap-ins, takes a deflection on its way in as well. It's cruel luck on Chiefs who